morning, students. Today we are going to understand sum number 17 from cash flow statement. Sum number 17, from the following information, calculate cash flow from operating activities. First of all, we will prepare statement of cash flow from operating activities for the year ending 31st March 2017. First of all, we will record closing balance of P&L account 60,000, and after that we'll deduct opening balance of profit and loss account 25,000. Closing balance of profit and loss account 60,000 less opening balance of profit and loss account 25,000. Then we will get 35,000. It is a profit of current year. Then we'll see the next entry, general reserve. Opening balance of general reserve is 35,000 and closing balance is 45,000. It will be recorded under the heading of non-cash expenses and provisions. General reserve. $45,000 minus 35,000. We will get 10,000. Next, taxation provision. Previous year's taxation provision is 48,000. Current year's taxation provision is 38,000. So we will take here in the heading of non-cash expenses and provisions taxation provision for the current year, and 48,000 will be paid. Then we will write taxation provision $38,000. Depreciation fund, opening balance is 32,000, closing balance is 42,000. It will be recorded under the heading of non-cash expenses and provisions. Depreciation fund 42,000 minus 32,000. We will get 10,000. Next, goodwill. Opening balance is 38,000, closing balance is 27,000, means written off. Goodwill written off. $38,000 minus 27,000. We will get 11,000. Next, debtors. Opening balance of debtors is 39,000. Closing balance of debtors is 49,000. So here debtors increases. If current assets increases, then cash flow decreases. So we will record it in less. Increase in debtors 10,000. Next, Creditors. Here opening balance of creditors is 29,000. Closing balance of creditors is 39,000. Here creditors value increases. If current liabilities value increases, then cash flow also increases. So we will record it in add increase in creditors 10,000. Next, outstanding expenses. Opening balance is 17,000. Closing balance is 12,000. Here outstanding expenses decrease, means if current liabilities decrease, then cash flow also decrease. So we will record it in less decrease in outstanding expenses 5,000. Next, prepared expenses. Opening balance is 10,000. Closing balance is 14,000. Here prepared expenses increase, so cash flow decrease. So we will write it under less increase in prepared expenses by 4,000. Next, profit on sale of assets 15,000. It is non-operating incomes, so we will write under the heading of non-operating incomes profit on sale of assets 15,000. Next, loss on sale of furniture. It will be recorded under non-cash expenses and provisions. Loss on sale of furniture 8,000. Next, income of rent 48,000. It is non-operating incomes. Income of rent 48,000. Next, interest paid on debentures 32,000 and dividend payment 10,000. Both are financial expenses, so we will write them under the heading of financing expenses. Interest paid on debentures 32,000, dividend payment 10,000. Then students, one entry is remaining 48,000. This will be recorded in the last. We will deduct this amount at last less taxation paid of previous year 48,000. it will be deducted from above total. So now all the entries will be posted. Then we will make the total 10,000 plus 38,000 plus 10,000 plus 11,000 plus 8,000. We will get 77,000. 35,000 plus 77,000. We will get 1,12,000. Then we will make the total of financing expenses. 32,000 plus 10,000. We will get 42,000. 1,12,000 plus 42,000. We will get 1,54,000. Then the total of non-operating incomes. 15,000 plus 48,000. 63,000 will be deducted from 1,54,000 and we will get 91,000, and this amount will be operating profit before changes in working capital. Then here's total 10,000. 91,000 plus 10,000, we will get 1,01,000. Here's total 10,000 plus 5,000 plus 4,000. We will get 19,000. This amount will be deducted from 1,01,000 and we will get 82,000. Then 82,000 minus 48,000, we will get 34,000, and this amount will be net cash flow from operating activities. स्टूडेंट्स, इसी के साथ कंप्लीट होता है हमारा सम नंबर 17। नेक्स्ट टाइम मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट सम्स के साथ। स्टूडेंट्स, आपको हमारा ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो प्लीज लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू सपोर्ट अस। थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स।